Lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. If you're new to this channel, if today is your first time discovering this channel, oh my god, you are welcome, and I am so happy to have you here. And my name's Joy, and on this channel I'll be bringing you latest news and gists. And if you would like to see more videos from this channel, do go ahead and click on the red button down below and turn on the bell for notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. With that being said, let's get into the video. Let's watch together.
Dear friends, wake up. The zoo. Let me explain something to us that we are missing. The zoo is a serpent with more than 1,000 heads. If you cut one head, they will start with the other head. If you cut the other head, they will start with the other head until one will walk out for them. But we should not allow this ancient serpent with 1,000 heads to cripple into our mix. Dear friends, let's wake up. Our leader have been shouting all these years, lecturing us. Does it mean we are not getting it? Does it mean we are not listening to our leader? Does it mean we never followed our leader? Of course, we understand that in such a situation, it is very, very strange that our leader will give an order that we should not sit at home for his liberation. It is very, very skeptical. To me personally, of course, I say that. I believe that. But the fact is this, DOS cannot afford to make mistake because DOS is a governing body. It is not an individual something. You cannot come on air and start insulting an institution created by the same person you say you love. Hello, dear friends. This is totally wrong. We should understand things. Most of us were not educated. Education does not mean you went to school and you have your degree. Some of us are now properly educated by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We know how to reason. Reasoning is not our problem. We can scrutinize information and extrapolate what we want to get from the information and get to our point. This thing is very easy to understand if you are reasoning. Please, let's separate sentiments from reality. If you like somebody, if the person goes wrong, then rebuke the person. That means you are separating sentiments from, reasoning. Our leader, that is why he doesn't have friends. Our leader gravitates towards the truth. When he sees the truth, he says the truth. He doesn't care who it affects. He used to say it every time. So, fellow dear friends, I urge all of us, let's come back home the way we used to be. Let's respect an institution, the only institution we have, which is the institution of the DOS. Let's follow command and control. We are not in a democracy yet. This command and control have taken us thus far. Without this command and control, we wouldn't have gotten to where we are today. I am not doubting that there weren't any problem as regarding the arrest of our leader. If they were saboteurs, there will be a time for that. Our leader is not dead. The man is alive. Hello, dear friends, the man is alive. And as our leader is alive, a lot of things will unravel. And I believe personally, if we continue this sit at home, it will unravel a lot of things. So we shouldn't give the enemy a chance to cripple the 1,000 heads, serpent to cripple into our mix and cause disunity so that behind they can go and harm our leader. Because once we are disunited, they will say, okay, they are no more together. So we can deal with, their leader. And these people, you should know, this serpent, they are very intelligent. They are getting instructions, advice from, all, their allies that are also very, very, astute, that are also very, very intelligent. What we have to do is this. Let's come together, bond ourselves together, and respect the institution. That does not mean that we will not do our sit at home on our own detriment. We will do our sit at home because it's what we believe in, it's what we want to do, which I believe the DOS should take the information to our leader and tell our leader that our leader should listen to what his people said. Our leader said, we don't want to stop the sit-at-home until our demands are being listened to, including me. I support it. But let's differentiate we should not use this one and be insulting the DOS. The DOS are doing what they are supposed to do. They can't just rush and take decisions. No. They cannot be doing trial and error. This is a government, for crying out loud, Biafrans. The DOS can be doing what they are doing. We our own. We're going to do what we do safe. You understand? Let me go to Pidgin. Waiting we go to do them for our own. For ground. We go to do what we do. The DOS then go to do their own. So we know they mix this thing. They talk say DOS, the Chikai Doziem is not fit. If it's not fit, are you the one now you put on there? Our leader we put on there, no say no fit. You know how long that man don't did there. Most of these DOS, you know how long they did there. Some of them don't did there 9-10 years with our leader. Now today they talk say they no fit. And who you say fit? Where you see yesterday you say fit. My brother, please, let's come back home and start reasoning. They sit at home. For me, personally, I dey talk my mind. Me, I won't continue they sit at home. Because our leader, if they go tell and DOS go tell our leader, say, see waiting we talk, our leader go listen. That is true. Because our leader is a reasonable man. Our leader go understand, say, hey, in people, see waiting they talk. Our leader go listen to us. Because that is why our leader say, we do referendum. Our leader believe in the collectivity of the people, waiting that the people talk now, our leader won't listen. So please, our Biafrans, if person dey social media they talk, no be because you like person. You will go they cause another person. Where they do something based on the law where they put for ground. These are two different things. I beg, we know say our Biafran people, we dey very, very, very sentimental. We get one kind mind. We dey reason mostly with our heart, no be our head. I beg, no be insult, make una no verse, but now the truth. Our leader tell us to talk truth. We dey reason sometimes with our head, with our mind, no be with our head. You understand? So maybe we change that thing. If you like person, if you talk true, you follow. If you don't talk true, you no follow him. Our leader put law before he come out. The law be say anything we no come out for Radio Biafra, no follow that thing. And another thing we are going to explain to our people be this. Are they follow Radio Biafra well? The people where they follow Radio Biafra, nobody they can't listen for information for Radio Biafra anymore. It is very, very wrong. Come Radio Biafra, come listen to what they happen. If you no like them, call the person on board. I mean the person where they present the program. Make you call them, explain to them, say, I no agree for this thing, see my own idea. Our leader don't even talk and say, if you bring your idea, it does not mean that your idea no dey important. But maybe waiting that they do that time, your idea no go serve that period, but then you use them for another time. So you no go bring idea today, you want me to implement the idea today. It no work like that, my fellow comrades. Now I beg. Now beg they beg our people. Many people don't die for this thing, no. Many people don't decapitate their life for this, Many people, some no get leg again. Some don't die. Many of our comrades don't go. Some don't lose money. Some don't, many. Nobody go talk, say, him be real IPOB. The truth one, no be the mago one. Nobody go talk, say, him be true IPOB. We never lose something here. May we just talk the truth. Many things don't go. Now when we say we don't they get near the door. Now you can't they do this thing, my people. I beg, Biafrans. Oh, the children of God, please, all of you should come together. May we respect our DOS. May we follow them. Waiting them talk, may we do. But it no mean say we no go fit do our own thing, but on our own account. No be IPOB account. We fit do our own thing for back to show our grievances. Me, I support this sit at home because this sit at home is the only thing we don't hit these people bad. Me, I support them badly. But I dey try make our people understand the responsibility we dey for DOS and individual action wey we dey do. Your individual action good, but no go dey cause DOS wey our leader institute for many years, and all those people, most of them we did they start this thing with our leader. So you mean say our leader, it means say he no get sense, he no know this, he no know anything all this year. Now you can't know today. They go dey cause we input for many years. That means say you dey insult our leader. I beg, may we know they call, go do something where go cause go come the entire body. May we dey careful. Like people like us, we take oath. That is why we dey anywhere where we see for IPOB, we dey look before we put Lego. Biafrans. I beg. Now beg I dey beg all of us. May we come back like one family. May we reject all these things where these people they try to set up, all those traps where they set, where some of us don't they fall the enter. May we run come out for that trap. Oh. I beg, if some of us don't forget letting our leader talk, may we go back, go they listen those whole. If you go YouTube or other places, even for Rapture Media, other places, you will see many of these our leader broadcasts we don't broadcast before. Go back, go they listen, make you hear waiting in talk. Maybe by then, maybe you go jog your memory small. You go come back and come now waiting our God talk be this. So I beg. Even if you go for IPOB community radio, you go for podcasts. There go they click, you go see many of the broadcasts we our leader don't do before. Go they listen to them. If you don't get anything to do for Facebook, if you don't get anything to do with your data, go that place, go that IPOB community radio, go to where they write a podcast. Go they listen to all the broadcasts where our leader they broadcast. You will come they remember what thing they happen now, because nothing where they happen today where our leader never talk about Biafrans. I beg. I want this message make it go viral. I want this message make it reach all our brothers and sisters, even the ones where they village. Make it reach everybody, so that everybody go wake up. Because Biafra is not be one person matter. Biafra don't go another, it don't skyrocket. This will not be one family or one person. This thing worldwide something. If you get waiting, you go contribute. You come out. You can't contribute. But you contribute waiting go move us closer to Biafra. Not be to come they find waiting go drag us down. Because waiting like they see now waiting people they do where they drag people down. I beg, I they beg us. May we reason. If you don't know what you go do for Facebook, instead of you they waste your data for Facebook, go to IPOB community radio. If no broadcaster day on air, go to where they write podcasts. Click the podcast. That podcast make you start today listen to our leader old broadcasts. They listen to them. Then maybe that thing will jog your memory. You go remember many things. Or you go for Facebook. It's full for Facebook. Rapture Media they publish them almost every day for Facebook. If you go for YouTube, Rapture Media they publish them to everywhere. So if you know if you go IPOB community, maybe you know if you know how to click them. But it's very easy. You go there, you go see the option, you click podcast, you go for all the broadcasts. They follow waiting our leader, they talk. So that the old serpent, all the head, they see that 1,000 head where they talk, where the old serpent get. If you cut one, you go bring another one. If you cut another one, you go bring another one. So that at the end, we go cut all the head to finish. If you don't see another head to bring, the serpent will struggle, he will die and our Biafra will come. Now waiting I say make I tell our people, oh Biafrans, if anything where I talk here offend anybody, make una no verse. So now the truth I only can talk because our leader teach us how to talk truth. Thank you everyone that have listened to this audio I just made. And God bless everyone. Let us be focused and keep our eyes on the ball to get our goal, which is Biafra. And at the end, Biafra shall be achieved and our leader shall come out safely and he will be with us and wave the flag of Biafra with us. Thank you.
I will see you in my next one, and thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this video at the comment section, and I will see you in my next one. As always, thanks for watching. But if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click on that red button down below and turn on the bell for notifications so you'll be notified anytime I upload new videos. Ciao, ciao. Bye. I love you all. Joy.
Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the